सेकंड, तुम्हें क्या लगा ये कोई नॉर्मल एडिट वीडियो है? ना ना ना, ये मेरी वीडियो है। चलो समझाता हूँ तुम्हें कैसे। हेलो,
It's Watashi no Namae Raj Desu.
एंड माय नेम इज ऑल्सो राज। अभी भी नहीं समझे? चलो इन दोनों को मूवी से कंपेयर करते हैं। So this guy is like Tyler Durden, second main character of the movie, who is very confident, dominant, very smart, and chaotic, and very charismatic. Then there is this guy, who is like the narrator, the main character of the movie, who is introverted, monopsis, weak, and pleasure hunter. So right now, these both personalities are fighting with each other in Raj's mind, and there is going to be a very interesting conflicts between these two in the upcoming future. So that's it for today, Mitro. Let's meet again, or
Until we meet again!